Welcome again, my dear students. Today I will answer the homework for you. Factorize each of these expressions. The first exercise, 6x cubed y squared minus 3x squared y plus 12xy cubed z. The HCF, the highest common factor of 6x cubed y squared and 3x squared y and 12xy cubed z is 3xy. Because the HCF of 6 and 3 and 12 is 3. According to variables, we have x cubed, x squared, and x. You have to choose the variable with the lowest power. So we have to choose x. And the HCF of y squared and y cube is y. Why do we choose y? Because it has the lowest power. And z is not in common. So the HCF is 3xy. So write this outside the brackets. And now we have to divide the first term, 6x cubed y squared, by 3xy. Please remember that when divide, subtract the powers. X cubed divided by x equal x squared, because 3 minus 1 equal 2. Y squared divided by y equal y, because 2 minus 1 equal 1. Now, 6x cubed y squared divided by 3xy is, of course, 2x squared y, because 6 out of 3 equal 2, x cubed out of x equal x squared, y squared out of y equal y. Then you have to divide the second term by 3xy, and you will get minus x, because minus 3 out of 3 minus 1, x squared out of x equal x, then simplify y with y. And the third term, you have to divide it by 3xy. 12 out of 3 is 4. Simplify x with x. Y cubed out of y equal y squared, because we subtract the powers. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Z out of 1 equals z. So the expression inside the brackets must be 2x squared y minus x plus 4y squared z. Finally, this expression equal 3xy, the highest common factor, then between brackets, this is the first term, 2x squared y, this is the second term, minus x, and the third term, 4y squared z. Now, if you want to check your answer, just remove the brackets, and you will get the expression. First, you have to multiply 3xy by 2x squared y. Multiply the first term by the first term. And also you have to remember, when multiply, add the powers. When multiply, add the powers. So x times x squared equal x cubed, because 1 plus 2 equal 3. And y times y equal y squared, because 1, the power here is 1, plus this power 1 equal 2. So 3 times 2 equals 6. X times x squared equal x cubed. Y times y equal y squared. and this is the first term in the expression. Now, multiply 3xy by the second term, by minus x, you will get minus 3x squared y, which is the second term. And you have to multiply 3xy by the third term, and you will get 12. 3 times 4 equals 12 x y cube z. So the expression is 6x cube y squared minus 3x squared y plus 12xy cube z. This is the same, so it's correct. Now exercise number 2. 8x cubed plus 4x squared. Now the HCF of 8x cubed and 4x squared is 4x squared, because the highest common factor between the numbers between 8 and 4 is 4. And according to variables, you have to choose the variable with the lowest power, which is x squared. So we have to write this outside the brackets by dividing each term by 4x squared. You can see that the expression inside the brackets must be 2x plus 1. Why? Because you have to divide the first term by 4x squared, and you will get 2x. Then divide 4x squared by 4x squared, so you will get 1. So this is the answer. Number 3, 12q squared r squared minus 24q squared r plus 30q cubed r to the power 4. First of all, you have to find the highest common factor between the numbers. So you have to write 12 as a product of prime factors. 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3. Then write 24 as a product of prime factors. 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And write 30 also as a product of prime factors. 30 equals 2 times 5 times 3. So the highest common factor, the common, of course, 2 and 3. So the HCF equals 6, because 2 times 3 equals 6. Now, this is the highest common factor. Why do we choose q squared? Because q squared is q squared has the lowest power. And we choose r because we have r squared, r to the power 4. R has the lowest power, so we choose r. Then, open bracket, divide 12q squared r squared by 6q squared r, and you will get 2r. When divide the second term by 6q squared r, we will get minus 4. Then divide the third term by 6q squared r, you will get 5qr cubed. The last exercise, 3a squared b minus ab. Now the HCF between the numbers, of course 3 equals 3 times 1, 1 equals 1 times 1, so the HCF is 1. And according to variables, we have to choose a, of course. According to b, we have to choose, of course, b. So AB is the HCF, open bracket, divide 3a squared b out of AB, and you will get 3a. Then divide AB out of AB, and you will get 1. That's all. Thank you for listening, and have a nice day.